Hello guys, welcome back. It's One of the Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix black screen in CS2. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how to exactly fix the black screen that you may be getting here on CS2? Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to guarantee here is you want to make sure that your GPU is fully updated. So you want to go and look for the app that you are using to update your GPU. So if you have NVIDIA, open up the NVIDIA app, or if you have AMD, go ahead and open up AMD. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to update it. So again, you may want to go to the driver section. So let's just wait for this to finish up. So in here, you want to go to drivers at the left side. And you want to go ahead and look for the option here for update or download or install or something similar to that. But typically speaking, it's going to be at the top section here. Just go ahead and click on download. But yeah, so just wait for it to basically update. And once the update's complete, just restart your PC and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you want to check the display for your PC. So sometimes your display is the one that's causing this issue. Like for example, you're not using the recommended resolution. So you want to go to your desktop here and basically right click on the empty space, and you want to go ahead and choose the option here for display settings. Now you want to go and choose the display that you want to edit and scroll down a bit, and you want to look for display resolution. You want to go and click on it and want to make sure that you've selected the recommended one. Now also alternatively, you can also do this via the game library you have. So if you're using Steam, go ahead and access Steam here, and you want to go ahead and right click on it, and you want to go and go to properties. Now from here, you want to go to launch options and add the following, which is going to be -W1920 space -H space 1080, and from here on, just launch the game and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to One of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.